how I create success is more by focusing on the conditions I'm creating, right? So the tiny little micro second of motivation I apply to creating conditions in my life where the crap me, the me who likes sitting on the sofa watching Netflix, the lazy me, will just automatically do the right thing. Yeah. Rather than going, right, I'm going to use discipline and motivation and, think about myself as being the ultimate superhuman being that can do everything. Instead of doing that, I think, no, how would I create the conditions where the worst version of me will still do it? So one of the ways I do that is in terms of what I consume, what I take in. So I unsubscribe from things which don't actually, I try to anyway, things kind of start coming back and then I have to just go, right, unsubscribe from things that don't actually help me specifically make music. So I'm including things like YouTube channels, which are pushing me towards buying gear, because that doesn't help me make music. that helps me spend money. I'm talking about social media things where they're just talking about maybe politics, stuff like that, which actually doesn't serve my creative process. I'm like, particularly when I'm making an album, I'm like, okay, I'm going to unsubscribe from that and unsubscribe from that. And I'm going to create the digital conditions, in other words, the mental conditions with what I consume so that I've actually am motivated to make music rather than getting distracted by this and distracted by the other, right? So I'm not saying that you have to unsubscribe from everything and only listen to me, but just take that on board. Why swim against a current? Why not create a current which is you're just taken along by it?